Hello, this is Lorenzo Perella, and this is my computer science quiz 4 for CSC 110 Clark Wellman. Now, in this part, all I'm going to be explaining is number 3, which is using the turtle module to create a rectangle with a square inside of it. Now, in order to do this, it's a matter of building all the pieces, putting pieces together of previous functions in order to make a new function, much like Legos, or anything that just takes a really big problem and breaking it into small pieces. Calculus for computers, in a very big idea, small idea kind of manner. So, what I first do is reference drawing a rectangle from the center, which is a simpler version, very similar to a worksheet problem that we did, that takes making this rectangle and then moving that rectangle to the lower point, which moves away from the center, allowing us to make the rectangle. And once we make the rectangle, it'll go back to the center of the rectangle. Then, to draw the X, we make a for statement. And we know that in an X, it has to be all the same length. So we have the same size. Though in order to make the X, you have to note that turtle, in this case Trevor, will go 45 in each direction, and then 180 minus 45 in order to get the other angles. Then what we do is put those two together. But we have to be careful because we want to make sure that the order of this is going to be correct. Don't want anything to be out of order. So we know that first we need to move the Trevor down to the corner. Then he'll form the rectangle, then move back to the center, and then create the X. By doing this together, it will allow us to get our shape in the end. As you can see, make it there, there, then it makes there, then makes that too. Now what was happening right here is the same piece of number 4 where it's trying to create a row of squares, but because the X is causing it to go back to home every single time, that's what's causing it to. So in order to fix that, you have to change the X correlation, so that way instead of returning home, it actually goes forward, goes and only makes the X for the center. So for the case and purpose of creating just a rectangle with an X in the middle, you saw from the run that this does work. And upon further work, we can create something that will utilize it better for a line of squares. I mean rectangles. Thank you. This has been Lorenzo Perella for CSC 110 Quiz 4. Have a wonderful night and take care.